Welcome back to Inebriated.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bree.
Today we got an all-local drink for you. It's a little Peppermint Espresso Martini.
I'm very excited about it. Let's get into it.
Come on.
All right, that's how you make the Peppermint Espresso Martini. Perfect for the holiday season. I am a big fan of espresso martinis. That's like my drink of choice, anytime, anywhere.
It's easy. It's great.
So yeah, this is really good. I like it a lot, especially with the peppermint and the chocolate rim. I think it makes it even fancier.
I like how you can do like either half and half, but I would have done like all the chocolate myself just because that's me. But if I was at a bar, I would have done both like that.
Yeah.
Also, whipped cream. That's not necessary for espresso martini either.
No.
Just trying to make it fancy. And I didn't have any beans with me either. You got to have the beans, the 3 beans.
Of course.
Stands for health, wealth, and prosperity, if you didn't know that.
I did not know that. That's really
Supposedly.
cool. Okay.
And I didn't have the beans, but I like the bitters on there. I just did a little toothpaste. You use a dropper, whatever you got. That adds a nice little color. You could even like drive your toothpick through that, swirl it in there exactly.
That'd be cool.
Also adds a little bit of a scent to it.
Yeah, I did not do the bitters on mine just because I'm not
you don't have to.
a bitters person, but it does look really cool. It makes the drink what it's kind of supposed to be, but it's a really sweet drink. Not too sweet though. I think the coffee from the cold brew and combined with our coffee rum, it's not too bitter, but it's got that balance to it. Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, speaking of the coffee, this drink is 100% local. So we're using Muddy River from Belmont. We got Javeska coffee from Charlotte, Howling Moon from Madison. This is a peppermint moonshine, Mystery Beach chocolate, because he's from North Carolina, and I didn't know what other North Carolina's chocolate there were. So
nice.
Mr. Beach chocolate there, and that's just for the rim.
The chocolate is very good.
It is actually pretty good chocolate.
It's very tasty. I think the peppermint adds a nice little
definitely maybe up the peppermint in there. Just this stuff is 40%. So you're gonna make it pretty boozy.
Yeah.
But
I don't mind boozy.
Yeah, if you're into the boozy stuff, I'm happy with it.
Yeah. But yeah, this is a really good cocktail. I'm probably gonna drink this a lot more often. Add it to my collection. But definitely check out the recipe in the description below and come check us out. We're open at the distillery throughout the week, and on the weekends we do tours, so check in and see us. We've always got stuff going on. But until next time, we'll see you guys later on Inebriated.
Cheers.
Cheers.